Measuring your windows for shutters couldn't be easier. Just follow these simple steps and your new shutters will look great in your home. All you need to measure is a metal tape measure, a pencil and a pad. Please give us the measurements in centimetres to the nearest 0.1 centimetre. Now you're ready to begin. First, you'll need to work out whether you want your shutters inside the window recess or outside. For recess shutters, you will now need to determine where in the recess your shutter will go. Take into account things like handles and hinges. If they stick out into the recess, you'll want to move your shutters away from the window. If there are no obstructions, you could position the shutter to the back of the recess. You only need to mark the depth you've chosen if you're fitting in the recess away from the window. Now choose the best frame type for that position. For the back and middle of the recess, you'll need an L frame. For fitting shutters to the front of the recess, you can also use a Z frame. If you've opted for an outside the recess fitting, you won't need to specify a frame type. From the depth in the recess which you marked before, take 3 width measurements. Then do the same for the height. You'll give us the smallest measurement for both when placing your order. If you're fitting outside the recess, to both of these measurements you'll need to add the depth of the frame, which is 3.8 centimeters on each side. However, if you've got windowsills, low ceilings or other obstructions to the frame at the top or bottom of the recess, remember that these 2 sections of frame are optional, so you could place your order just using the recess height. You always need to add 7.6 centimeters to the total width. As well as standard full window shutters, you could have cafe-style shutters. The steps are exactly the same. Measure full height and width of the recess, then measure the height you want the shutter doors to be. Add 3.8 centimeters to the bottom measurement if installing them outside the recess. Just select the bottom and left and right options on the website. When it's time to install your shutters, come back to this page and watch through our short video showing you how to put them up.